Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to trade with virtual money on Trading 212 so you can practice trading without risking real funds. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, make sure you're in demo mode on Trading 212. Open the app or web platform, tap the menu icon at the bottom right, and select Practice Mode or Demo Account. Once you're in, you'll see a virtual balance in your account, which you can use to simulate real trades. To start trading, search for the instrument or asset you want to practice with, like stocks, Forex, or crypto. Open the instrument screen, then choose Buy if you think the price will go up, or Sell if you think the price will go down. Enter the amount you want to trade, and you can also set stop loss and take profit orders to manage risk just like in a real account. Once your trade is placed, you can monitor it in your portfolio, adjust your stop loss or take profit levels, and even experiment with different strategies without any financial risk. This is a great way to build confidence, understand market behavior, and practice trading strategies before using real money. And that's it. Now you can trade with virtual money on Trading 212 and gain experience safely. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want me to show more demo trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.